You probably use DataMate Web to manage your customers and test their pool or spa water. In this video, we'll step through the process of adding a new customer record to your database. Let's start by logging into DataMate Web. The main screen or dashboard offers several reports on my water analysis data, but we're going to focus on searching for or adding a new customer for now. I can use the search box to look for a customer if they are already in my database. I can use the customer's last name, first name, account number, phone number, all kinds of things to look for the customer using the search box. However, if that customer is not yet in my database, I'll have to add that customer. This wizard will guide us through adding a new customer in 4 easy steps. Adding most of this information is optional. Only the first and last names are required fields, but the more information you provide, the easier it will be to search for that customer later, and the better service you'll be able to provide your customer. Customer types is a fun feature allowing you to assign a category to your customer, like Silver Level or VIP. You get to create your own customer types, which is managed in Settings, General Settings. Once you've completed all the fields you'd like to fill in, press Next. If you want to allow DataMate Web to send emails to this customer, we'll have to opt this customer into Receive Emails. Be sure to ask the customer verbally if they want to opt in for emails. You can also optionally share water test data from this customer with your provider, meaning your chemical manufacturer distributor, if you are linked to one. But again, check with your customer to see if they want their data shared with a provider. Now let's add a pool or spa for this customer. We call these sites. Without this information, DataMate Web won't be able to calculate the treatment recommendations from a test. So information like volume and surface type are key. It's possible for a site to have a different address than the customer, but if not, and you entered an address for the customer, just click the box to apply the customer's address to this site. Supplying a site address is essential if you plan to use the work order system. We can quickly assign a set of chemical products and ideal ranges to this site by selecting Profile from the drop-down. But if you need to tweak individual chemicals, we can do that too. Finally, we can attach any equipment items like a filter or a pump to this site. Equipment items are managed in Settings, Equipment. While many of the details about an equipment item are the same, some are specific to this installation, like the serial number and installation date. When you're finished, press Done. Don't worry, you can edit any of this later from the customer profile. So if you don't know something now, or need to add something later, it's no problem. Press Next when you're done. Now, decide what you want to do next. Want to add another customer? View the details page of a customer you just entered? Add another site for the customer you just entered? Or perform a water test for the customer you just entered? We're going to view the details page of the customer we just entered. The customer detail page is full of information about this customer, but you can see the gallery is empty, and there's no water test data. This is normal for a new customer record. If you were looking to add several customers at once, check out our video on importing customer records. Hopefully this video helped you through adding a new customer. If you'd like to learn more about using DataMate Web, click one of the video previews. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.